Hello kids, welcome to Jooju Smarty. Today, we'll learn action verbs, words that tell what we do. Are you ready? Let's start. Jump. Jump. I jump on the bed. Run. Run. I run in the park. Eat. Eat. I eat an apple. Read. Read. I read a book. Write. Write. I write with a pencil. Sing. Sing. I sing a song. Dance. Dance. I dance with my friends. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep in my bed. Play. Play. I play with my ball. Swim. Swim. I swim in the pool. Draw. Draw. I draw a picture. Cook. Cook. I cook with my mom. Laugh. Laugh. I laugh with my friends. Talk. Talk. I talk to my teacher. Walk. Walk. I walk to school. Cry. Cry. I cry when I am sad. Smile. Smile. I smile when I am happy. Sit. Sit. I sit on a chair. Listen. Listen. I listen to music. Wash. Wash. I wash my hands. Brush. Brush. I brush my teeth. Open. Open. I open the door. Close. Close. I close my eyes. Kick. Kick. I kick the ball. Throw. Throw. I throw the ball. Catch. Catch. I catch the ball.